Hello, I'm Dr. Gary O'Neill, and this is Take 5, where we encourage you to take 5 minutes every day to review your Greek grammar so that you will be able to use it for a lifetime. This morning we're going to be looking at some verses from 1 Thessalonians. So let me read it to you, and then let's talk about it a little bit, all right? Paulos kai Siluanos kai Timotheos te Ecclesia Thessalonikaon in the O Patri kai Kyrio Jesu Christo charis humen kai eirene. So, translation, Paul and Silas and Timothy to the church of Thessalonian in God, Father, and Lord Jesus Christ. Grace to you and peace. Okay? Let me point out a couple of grammatical things for you here. Notice te ecclesia. I translated this as to the church. Okay? To the church. Look at it closely and you tell me what is the parsing of te ecclesia. Remember yesterday, one of our helps that we pointed out is looking at the article. So here's the article. What can you tell me about the article in front of this noun, ecclesia, that would help you determine the parsing of it? Well, the Ada there tells us this is going to be a feminine, right? Do you remember any more than that? Can you pick it out? The iota there gives you a hint. This is a dative, and then this is a singular. Okay, so feminine, dative, singular. To the church. Now, as a dative, remember we have helping words that we use in translation. The helping word for the dative is going to be to. So when you translate a dative, unless it is in a prepositional phrase or of some kind, often you will need to use the helping word to, and that's why I included that here. Paul and Silas and Timothy to the church. All right. Now think with me a little bit more though. Remember the dative is often used in a particular way in Greek. This is used grammatically, not always, but often it will be the indirect object, okay? And that's the way it is functioning here. The indirect object is the object, the noun that the main verb is in benefit of. So John threw the ball to Tim. So Tim is the indirect object there. And so that's what we have going on here. Paul and Silas and Timothy to the church. They are writing this letter. So this letter, understood, is the direct object. To the church is the indirect object. So grammatically, te ecclesia is indirect object, is functioning as the indirect object in this sentence. Okay? Then notice here on the end we have this prepositional phrase in the O. It is also in the dative case. Notice it doesn't have the article there, but you can pick out because of the ending there that this is a dative. In is a preposition which means in. And takes its object in the dative case, and that's why the O is in the dative case. But notice we have two other datives here, patri, patri. So what patri is in apposition to the O. It renames it, gives it another name. So in God, the Father, in God the Father, and curio is in the dative because it's functioning as another object of in, so it's in God the Father and in the Lord, and in the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you are going over these videos and getting the grammar down and learning Greek better. We will see you next time on Take 5.